chips on doors. This one's quite a bad one. And usually it's down to the paint's gone brittle, it's old and it's delaminating underneath. On this one, that scumble or stain. Quite an old door. So what's happening is delaminating off this surface. It's not actually bonding to the wood. This chip, it's quite bad. You can see where it's just been touched up. That's where it would have impacted, and it would have delaminated the paint. You can see if I just get a blade under this one. I've got a blade underneath the rest of it and took it off. But if I just get the blade under this one, that's the back of it. It's reasonably flexible, but again, as it gets old, it does dry a little crack then. So again, the impact will delaminate it off this surface. It doesn't look like it's been keyed, so that's generally what might be the problem. Again, it would have gripped a little bit all over, but where it takes an impact, that's where it'll just loosen the structure of the paintwork on it and just fracture it off. Again, with that one, I think what I would do is use a sanding block just to blend it all back in. Sanded this down now, and it looks like it's had a couple of impacts, just there and there. It won't sand out, but they'll cover once I've painted it. If I was staining it and taking all this back, then obviously I'd have to do a great deal more sanding. And with these fat edges, what you can do with your shave up is just draw them down. Nice and smooth. See that there? See, already those edges are looking a lot better. I've only rubbed them down and primed them, and I've only done the edges. So now this door's ready for painting.